Here's a 1936 Ford 5-window coupe. Beautiful car. It is all Ford steel. Powered by a 455 that has been bored 30 over to make it a 468. Check it out underneath there. I'm going to kind of go down what's on this car on a list that I have for a cheat sheet because the items are numerous. This vehicle was built here in Minnesota, professionally done. This car will place at shows, and at the same time you can get it out, take it down the interstate 75 miles an hour. Absolutely great car to show and or drive. Like I said, the body's all original Ford steel, no glass. Top is chapped 3 inches in the front, 2 inches in the back to give it a beautiful rake. Obviously you see the door handles have been Frenched. The license plate and taillights also. See the hinges have been hidden up here in the front of the doors. No body seams. They were hand molded, so you can see how clean that is. Again, all steel, no glass. Red metallic base coat is what we use for paint, with a red candy apple overlay, and then obviously layers of clear on top of that for the stunning red look. You can check out the still pictures. Check out the underside, engine, interior trunk, all built to match. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. The engine is a 455 Olds rocket, like I mentioned earlier, bored 30 over. Makes it 468 cubic inches. Does have a comp cam, comp roller rockers, been ported. Edelbrock torque intake, 750 Holley underneath there. Holley high flow fuel pump. Long tube ceramic coated headers. SS exhaust with MagnaFlow. It's actually been dynoed 430 horsepower, 500 pounds-foot of torque. So obviously you got a pretty healthy power plant. The tranny that's teamed with that engine is a 700 R4 overdrive with a low car shifter, Ford 9-inch rear end. Chassis is also a fully boxed 36 frame, Chevy Nova front end, QA1 coilovers, rack and pinion power steering. It does have posi. Power disc brakes at all 4 corners also. Check out behind the Foose chrome wheels there. As far as the interior, it has T seats in it with leather upholstery, covered dash, video gauges. It does have a GM tilt and telescopic column. Very, very nice interior. Let's go ahead and check it out and set my notes down here. Check out this grille too. How straight that is. Somebody put some time into that. Let's go ahead and check out this interior and we'll fire it up. See just how nice everything fits together on this car too. Kind of a custom flame interior that carries on into the back half of the car. Kind of see it over there. Crank down rear window. Headliner, nice shape. Crank open front window. Let's go ahead and fire this up. The wipers work. As you can see, they moved. Nice starting running car. Check out the gauges all work. Here's your stereo system. Shifter. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Listen to that. Although you've arrived by sound and sight with this car, absolutely gorgeous looks and great sound coming out of that 468 underneath the hood. Old rocket. feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. And like I said, you can check out all the still pictures, interior, engine, underside. Those still pictures will be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. 1936 Ford 5-window coupe street drive.